Hello my lovely kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine children. So today children, in our book number 4 we will do EVS work. On page number 18 we will do just here trace and color. So what is this? This is the picture of frog and this is the pen. So you will trace this like this, see? On dotted lines you will move your pencil and just draw it properly. Like this. Just draw the sleeves. Like this. Down. Trace it properly. Now trace the pen. Just slowly move the pencil on these dotted lines. Yes. Up, down, again up. Down. Okay, now you will fill color according to your own choice in this. Okay, your favorite color. Now come to page number 81. What is written? Spring. Write down with me. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. Flower. We all know the flowers bloom in spring season. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. The next one is frog. F-R-O-C-K. Frog. Come down. Shoes. Write down in proper formation. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Butterfly. B-U-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Double T will come. Pleasant. P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T. Pleasant. So you all will write very neatly in these blank spaces. Okay? Don't forget any letter, don't miss any letter, write it down very neatly. Now come to the next page children. On page number 82 some pictures are given to you. What you have to do, look at each picture and tick the correct word. So which scene is given to you over here? It is cloudy or rainy? No rain is here, so this is cloudy. We can see the clouds over here. Here what we can see, the sun is here, so it is windy or sunny? This one is sunny. Put a tick. What is here? Cloudy or stormy? You can see the clouds are thundering. It's stormy. What is happening here? You can just see the trees are just moving here and there, so it is windy. And here we can see the raindrops, so this is the rainy season. What is here? The trees covered with snow, so this is snowy. Put a tick like this. Okay, now we will do one activity in this book. Okay, so look here children, on page number 119 what we have to do, paste the pictures of different seasons. Here we have to paste the pictures of different seasons. We have read it: summer, rainy, winter and spring. So you can take the printouts from the cafe or you can just draw the picture and then paste it. Okay, put a date here, your name, and then paste. I am having pictures, I am going to show you, please see. Okay, see children, these are the pictures which I have taken out from cafe. You can just also take it out and paste it over here by applying glue at the back side. This is summer season, this is rainy, this is winter, and this one is spring. So let's apply glue at the back side. Now let's take the first picture of summer and paste it over here. We know in summer season we just feel thirst, and now we will paste it like here. Next is of rainy season, so paste it over here, the rainy season, like this. Press it gently. Read the next one. Next is of winter, so put up winter season picture over here. And the next one is of spring, so paste it spring season over here. Okay, so in this way you are going to paste the different seasons over here. Do this activity very neatly. Okay children, so that's all for book work. Now we will do our notebook work in next video.